Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can edit your website after publishing. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. In the center of the page, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once you're here in your dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen and then you're going to find all of these sections right here. So once here, just go ahead and search for edit site. It's going to be here in the bottom. Give it a click, and then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. So just wait for the page to load. This is basically going to be the Wix website editor. So once the site is loaded, this is how it will look like. So as you can see, guys, right here in the left, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to edit or customize your site. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to add an element. You can add a section. Here, you're going to find pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, and lastly, CMS. And here in the top, you're going to find the option to save your site after you edit it. And lastly, here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to publish your site. So if you click on publish, you're going to be able to go live with your site. And then you can also visit your site. If you click on view site, you're going to be redirected to your live site. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.